Tonight's pretty loose because a lot of people weren't sure when they were getting in, and we've got people coming until like 1 a.m. So, yeah, you guys came all the way from Utah, Idaho. Dang it. That's pretty far. So we're trying to be, he came all the way from Israel. Where? So we're gonna eat. Couple quick house rules. First of all, if everybody here did not sign the waivers and check in, do that within the next 10 minutes. Ladies first when we're eating. I think that's always a good rule. Some of you guys are all pissed, but there's only like 3 women here. Yeah, I think we're good with that. There's 4 chicks. You'll be okay, Eric. You'll be okay. Everything's in the kitchen. We are cleaning up after ourselves. I know you guys paid a lot to be here. You traveled a lot to be here, but there's just not the resources to take care of us. I tried to get my wife to do all the linens and stuff in your beds. This is a prize table, so it will fill up with stuff the next day and a half. People will be winning some of this stuff.
Do you have any applesauce?
We do have applesauce. So we have catered food today. We'll get this stuff out while we have attention. For lunch and dinner. For breakfast, we've got things like bagels and fruit and that kind of jazz, yogurt that'll be in the bar area.
Parfait?
We'll granola into the yogurt. Z, you got anything?
Yeah. My name's Z. Don't get too drunk every night. So if you're drinking, big boy rules. So if you're drinking, you wake up in the morning, you feel like shit. I mean, that's on you. We're still going to go out. We got a schedule.
Grab me one of G.
Paid to be here. We want you to enjoy it. We want you to enjoy the experience, enjoy hanging out with each other. Hopefully you cross-talk and share experiences, share techniques, whatever. Hopefully me and Mick can put on a good show with D-Dey and Al when they get here. But in the mornings, we're serious. We're going to go out here. We're going to do some mobility, movement type stuff. It's not going to go crazy. We're not trying to smoke the hell out of you, not trying to see who's the baddest sumbitch around. We're just going to calisthenics, warm up, do some rotations, do some things that I've learned from strength and conditioning coaches to help keep older guys. I'm 40, but I've got military years on me. It gets hard when you get older, right? It gets hard to do everyday things. Getting out of bed is hard. Let's preserve that stuff. Let's think about mobility. And here's another thing. And I'm gonna hit this up again in the morning. All this mobility is directly correlated with defending yourself, right? Whether you're fighting hand to hand or you're shooting. I guarantee if somebody shoots at you and you hear a whiz of a bullet by your head, you're gonna get real freaking mobile, right? Now, it's not gonna be very good for you if you don't know how to get mobile and be offensive at the same time. So you can get down and lay flat all you want, but if you're not firing back and defending yourself with whatever we're teaching you to defend yourself with, then it's all for naught. You can carry a gun all you want, you can learn how to do a 1-2 on a punching bag all you want, but if you're not mobile, it really doesn't matter. You're gonna get real mobile or have to get real mobile real quick if somebody's trying to hurt you. Okay, so that's why we're doing that in the morning, not to be a appendage measuring contest. I'm making it PG-13 for everybody. So we're just going to get out there and move. We plan on everybody being there, be a team player. We're going to break up into teams tomorrow, right? You're going to have certain guys on your team. What we're going to try to do is spread out the knowledge base and the talent base and the age base, right? All the old guys can't be on one team. We want to make it even. All right, we want to get a couple of good guys, a couple of weaker guys like Eric on certain, weak guys will be spread out on teams. But, so we have 3 stations that you're going to rotate through. If you've looked at the schedule and Mick's been putting out all kinds of stuff, you have the med portion, you have the shooting portion, and you have Al's portion, which is basically combatives mixed with the blade fighting, right? That comes into play because with a blade, you have to have some kind of knowledge of control of your body in order to make that blade work for you. So it's going to go into the 1-2 punch and things of that nature. So we'll be rotating every day, all right? That's to benefit you guys and also to establish teams that we're going to use on the 3rd day where we're going to be doing like a culmination exercise. We're not going to let you know what that's about until the time comes. It's going to be fun for everybody. Am I missing anything, Mick?
Just tonight, I want you guys to get to know each other. Stay in your bunks. Some of you guys I saw were kind of eyeballing other men's bunks. when you guys got in here. Stay in your bunk. Lightening the mood, gentlemen. Have fun. Like he said, don't get all liquored up and then expect to be playing with guns tomorrow. Last time we did this, a couple dudes got somber. Guy got so drunk that he tried to tell us he was sober. He's like, I am somber. And then he promptly fell in the pool. So have fun this evening. Enjoy the food. Would you like to say grace? Gentlemen?
Father, we thank you for your blessings to us. We thank you for these folks that have come, and pray that you would be over with others as they travel in. We pray for safety as we're here, and we just ask you to give us a good time together. Thank you for the food. In Christ's name, amen.
So it's easy to be loose out here, err on the side of safety and formalities. It's easy to be relaxed, like Nick said. We're going to find that very easy to do. So remember what we're here to do. Don't jeopardize training by being messed up.